Hi, my name is José D'Amico. I'm the CEO and co-founder of SciCrop. We created the farmers of the future today. But actually, I'm not too good of my stomach, and I have not time to have a lunch. So sorry, but I really need to get something from a family to eat. And but maybe you are thinking, is this from a family farmer? Oh, actually yes, because the wheat, the meat, the lettuce, the onions, most of it came from a family farmer, and not just this big Mac. Actually, according to United Nations, family farmers are responsible for 8% of the world's food production. And it's a huge market. But these guys are the most impacted for limited access to resources and lack of information, which causes a lot of losses and inaccuracy. And you know, Igitech is in vogue. Just last year, more than $4 billion were invested in a lot of solutions of Igitech. But most of these solutions are not affordable for the family farmers, only for corporate farmers. So something is really wrong. The vision of SciCrop is to offer a solution for who needs most. So it's smart farming for family farmers. And we do that using our IoT devices for collecting data, and we analyze it with our machine learning framework, and we deliver results through our dashboard to our customers.
The dashboard is on the customer's computer?
Yes, or cell phone, or in the television. But reaching this market is really hard. We need to convince them. So our go-to-market strategy starts with a premium tool and a strong position, a strong presence in the community. With that, we expect in 3 years to reach about $200 million in revenue and more than 200 terabytes and data analyzer. Today, our traction is about 600 farms in Brazil, 2,000 hectares per month on risk analysis for crops, and more than 30 terabytes in data analyzer. All of that was just possible because of our first-class team. Today we are here from the idea to the MVP, and right now is starting our go-to-market strategy. For that reason, we are asking who wants to be part of our company to join us. Thank you very much, and I am wait for questions.
So you're going to grow that fast?
Yes. This is just some numbers. This presentation has about other slides that I can go through. And as I told you, the main idea is to serve who needs most. That is the final farmer.
So are you going to sell the IoT product?
IoT, we monetize it through sales, through the IoT, but also monetize it through subscription for those guys that needs more information than the freemium version. So they can pay us about $20 per month for analysis that will return research optimization of the farm, but also increase the productivity. So I have two kinds of products. Okay.
Do you have any customers now?
Just premium that are 600, more than 600 farms that we got in 3 months. Also, these guys we got using our all machine learning software, so we didn't program the advertisement through on Facebook. We asked to our machine learning system to program them and selected the right customers. And we got this number that is amazing for 1 month of advertisement in Facebook, Get Family Farmers.
You know, one of the, ag tech is a huge industry.
Yes.
And most tech companies succeed by being very specific at the beginning
Yes.
and having customers that absolutely love their products.
Yes.
So one of the things to think about is maybe pick a segment, whether it's grapes for wine or tomatoes or
Yes.
lettuce,
Yes.
and be the best at that.
Yes.
And I don't know how the market is in Brazil, but here, a lot of the farmers do specific ag for specific products.
Yes. Yes.
So rather than trying to tackle the whole thing at once,
Yes.
it might make sense to have good data behind a segment within
Yes,
agriculture.
this is true in terms of get experience in one kind of scenario, and also to make a go-to-market strategy, and we agree with that. So we are starting after 19 and 3 of our stations in Vale. But the problems that affects all kinds of family farmers are the same ones, and it's not solved by men, it's solved by algorithms. So the response that we can get with just a short questions to the farmer, and based on 3 questions, I can answer a lot of problems just based on 3 questions. In Brazil, we are targeting in corn and soybean, and United States grapes. Okay. So are different 3 ones, but in terms of it's different because for us, our first contact here was with grapes. Okay.
And I think, you know, the Big Mac it's kitschy. Is it really worth the prop to chew on that to get a laugh? I don't know. I think
It's not left. Did you know that all of them came ever from family farmers? Did you know that?
No.
So I made my part. Okay, because all of my competitors, all of them, are going to corporate. That is just 20%. So put money in my company because I'm reaching a bigger market. It's a bigger. They are doing wrong. They are doing wrong.
But I just think the McDonald's connection might lose some people in terms of
May lose, but
just in terms of understanding.
yes, I understood. I understood that.
Sure, it's hard.
And this is the problem because McDonald's get what is good and make it a trash because this food is a trash. Actually, last month was 1 year that I didn't put one this. I mean, this effort just for you too. Okay?
That's not even food.
This garbage here is what doing the most prejudice for family farmers. So since the family farmers cannot fight with those guys, the algorithms can do that. Okay, and this is our point. Can I do
But don't eat.
Okay.
So, you're raising money now?
Yeah.